Good morning, you guys. It is 8:30 on Sunday morning. Happy Father's Day. I am doing a donut run to surprise my dad with donuts on Father's Day. Yeah. My dad loves cheese pockets, so I got a bunch of those. We are going to my brother's for a barbecue a little bit later. So that's our Father's Day plan for today. And I hope you guys like my video today. I hope you liked my video yesterday. I had a little issue trying to get my phone stuff over to my computer, and I don't like that it comes out like in such a small little picture. I gotta figure out how to fix that. I tried to put it through a video editor on my phone and it worked, but the voice and the mouth were totally all off. So, alright, I guess I will drive now that I'm leaving the parking lot. I'll have to concentrate on the road, you guys. Hey guys, I'm back. I am going to the gym. I'm probably just going to do cardio and abs. When I ran over to Pick and Save for those donuts at 8:30 in the morning, it looked like the gym was already busy. Like, really? People get up early on a Sunday to go to the gym? Man. Stupid gym is always busy. Literally, I'm wearing the same shirt I wore to bed last night to go to the gym. Because I'm cool like that. And you guys, I figured out on my phone to do it this way instead of this way, and that helps the picture be take up the whole space, which wasn't a hard thing to figure out, but you know, everything takes me a little longer than a normal person. Alright you guys, here we go to Experience Fitness.
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated, but that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not the type to wait around, I've never hesitated, but she's got me captivated, so the game, I'm gonna play it, yeah. You got a body like a coke thing, she likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely, I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a coke thing, she likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely.
You guys, I just almost walked into the wrong Jeep. I came out and I had my camera on, so I was looking into my camera, and there's a Jeep up there, like parked up in the front, and it looks exactly like mine. And then I looked in it, and it's like stockpiled full of junk, like newspapers and stuff. I'm like, wow, that's not my car. Yeah, so I just did a little cardio, a little bit of abs, my usual side bends and the hyperextension. It wasn't that busy in there. I don't know why there's all these cars here. I know that Romine's down the block always has like a muscle car show on Father's Day, so maybe people are parking in here for that. I don't know. Not sure. But yeah, I gotta go home, get ready. Barbecue time, barbecue time. Oh, and for the record, I have not eaten anything yet. Not donuts. But I will probably eat oatmeal and a donut when I get home. before we go to the barbecue. My brother's having ribs, and I don't eat ribs. So I'm gonna eat before we go. Probably just have some fruit or something when I get there.
Don't lose that pepper.
Walk into the car show. Me? I'm looking at my other camera.
You're my heartbeat, my silent drum that is kicking me till I'm numb. I wanna feel the love that dreams bounded when he got standing ovations on his gig. I wanna feel free like a bird in the sky when he opened his wings to fly on by to the beat of my silent drum that is kicking me till I'm numb. I wanna feel free like a bird in the sky when he opened his wings to fly on by to the beat of a silent drum that is kicking me till I'm numb. Oh. You're my heartbeat, my silent drum that's kicking me till I'm numb. I wanna feel the love that dreams bounded when he got standing ovations on his gig. I wanna feel free like a bird in the sky when he opened his wings to fly on by to the beat of my silent drum that is kicking me till I'm numb. Oh.
need a cocktail?
Oh yeah. The other car was
Back to
yeah.
start.
Did
I
it
don't
run?
know where to go. I'm told I'll reap all of what I sow. These mistakes have no one else to blame. Said I could feel it when you left me here. Left me here.
Come on, Bubba.
Our emotions are one and the same.
You making that noise, Dada?
So come on over, we can persevere, persevere. So come on over, we can persevere. Said I could feel it when you left.
Alright, here we go to Uncle Stevie's for a barbecue. The weather is perfect. It is what? 58 degrees. I brought us pants just in case we get cold over there. And we're off. Come on, this way, Gia. Oh, Lizzie's looking for you. Watch out, Gia. Don't walk in the rock. Come on, Gia. Come on,
Said
Gia.
I could feel it when you left me here, left me here.
Where's Tracy?
She's in this house.
Oh.
Said I could feel it when you left me here.
Both of you. You're like this.
Said I could feel it when you left. Said I could feel it when you left. Back to start. I can feel you flowing through my veins, taking every part. There's no escape, 'cause I can't deny all of these feelings buried deep inside. I'm out of reasons and I don't know why I ever even tried to put
put up a fight. I can feel you flowing through my veins, taking every part, there's no escape, 'cause I can't deny all of these feelings buried deep inside. I'm out of reasons and I don't know why I ever even tried to put up a fight.
What are you doing?